qualities of honey beneficial for eyes, cuts, phlegm, destroys thirst, poisoning, hiccups, blood clots, cures diarrhea, worms, gonorrhea, dysentery, vomiting, shortness of breath, cough, cleanses, dresses, plants, wound, increases air. Honey is dry, bitter, pungent, astringent, sweet in taste. Sugar made from honey has properties similar to honey. Here are generally mentioned properties of all types of honey. It is collected by bees. There are many types of bees. Differences. Properties of honey collected from them are different.